How to download and install MetaTrader 4, commonly known as MT4 on your PC or laptop. The first thing you need to do is download MetaTrader 4. Open your web browser and go to the official MetaTrader 4 website. Once you're on the website, navigate to the download section. Here you'll see options for different operating systems. Since we're downloading it for Windows, click on the Windows icon. Depending on your system type, that is 36-bit or 64-bit, choose the appropriate version and click on the link. Once the download is complete, let's move on to the next step. Now that download is finished, navigate to your download folders, which is over here or here. Now double click on the installer file to start the installation process. If you see a user account control prompt, click yes to proceed. The MetaTrader 4 installation widget will open up. Now click on next to begin the installation. Choose the installation location. The default location is usually fine for most users. Click next to continue. Now once the installation is complete, you'll see the option to launch MetaTrader 4. Make sure the checkbox is selected and click finish. Now MetaTrader 4 is now installed on your PC. Now you can launch it and log in. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.